The first thing we're going to do before we look at the pre-made layout kits is we're going to clear our page. I can go ahead and delete these blocks one by one. There's a quicker way to do that. Go to the page options toolbar here in the bottom right corner and click on the options, and you see at the top we have clear layout. It will take everything out and brings us back to an empty canvas. Start building your page, opens the block manager for us. Go to the top next to blocks and select layouts. Layouts are entire pages categorized into themes, into industries, which you can use. Note and underscore the point I made in the previous chapter is that with these thumbnails on the right, as you scroll down, you're going to see they're all pro. And that's usually how it goes. Brizy is getting professional designers to design these pre-made templates for them. And that's why they are pro features. So if you want to use them, you have to pay for them. Here's one without a pro label. And you can go through the categories here. You'll see on the left, business, travel. None of this will help us because I can click here on health and beauty and they are going to be pro. The way we get to a free one is to select the free category there at the top. Select free. These are a few free ones then that you can choose, and most of them are single pages. Let's select the one here, Design Loft, and you will see it says one layout. Click on it, and it opens a preview and the importer for us. You want to see how the rest of this page will look. Take the cursor over to the left and just hold it at the bottom, and it will show you the entire page. And if you want to see the top, just move the cursor again up, and it will scroll up. Right, nope, we're not going to use it, so we click back to layouts. Click again on free. Let's look at this first one, birthday. It's a good one for any event. It doesn't only have to be a birthday, it can be other kinds of events as well. Scroll to the top and back to layouts, right. And click on free. The one we'll be using is this one called WebNo. If I select it, note the top, note the countdown, look at the entire structure and compare it to my demo. Can you see what I've done? I used that one. I added this gallery. I changed out the colors. I changed out everything else, and I made it mine. And that's what we'll be doing. Go back into Brizy. Lovely. And let's go ahead and bring this one in. What I want you to note, and then we'll work on that in the next chapter, is the color. Look at the color theme that we have here. We have almost very dark blue at the top. Then we have pink, and we've got the pink all over, and we have a specific kind of font. Down here, you click on the import button, but observe what's going to happen to the color. Brizy will go ahead and import it for us, but the color is not going to look the same. Here, the hero looks different. This is purple. The fonts are different. Here is the pink that we saw. But here we see purple again, purple, a little bit of a different gray background. This doesn't have that same dark blue. This is purple again. And this is our first step in changing out a pre-made template, which is global styling, colors. Next chapter.